This video is brought to you by MageGee Direct Store on both Lazada and on Shopee. Their links are on the description, so go check their shop out and buy the keyboards or mice that you like.
This is the MageGee Star-100. Though imperfect, many things were still done right on this keyboard. As usual, we'll talk about the pros, we'll talk about the cons, and I'll see you right after the intro. Hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Daniel, or Biboyharanero as well. My mission is to bring you information on the top performing, best quality gaming gear at the lowest possible price. So right out of the box, the experience was really very good. Keycaps were very well blended as for its colorways. Plus, you get an extra escape key here in case you don't like this red, call this again? Keycap. The outer shell is standard as I expected from MageGee. Always very good machining with little branding. The keycaps are double shot with minimal printings as well. For the feet though, this is where I would see rooms for improvement, especially because the rubber is stuck onto the plastic feet with just double-sided tape. Eventually, this will misalign, like what I'm showing you right now. Stabilizers are not perfect as they are still rattly, which then again I expected. Just as I expect a like or a sub, but then again, that is your choice. Many of the keyboards I got from MageGee mostly have prelude stabilizers, so I guess this one too, but I will need to do some surgery to verify. And of course I had to tear it down for you guys, just to see the stabilizers here. One thing I noticed is that it doesn't wiggle a lot. Actually, it doesn't wiggle at all. Really placed firmly. Here's a quick sound test for you guys. Now let's talk PCB programming. Indicators are well done, well programmed. Caps lock lighting shuts off when activated. Windows does the same when deactivated. The same goes for the num lock. But wait, when all lighting on the indicators are turned on, they blend in with the lighting pattern of this keyboard. So this was one small nitpick we did on July of last year, and MageGee listened. And it's still being applied to their new releases. So far, I think we've talked more about the positive side of this keyboard. Now let me give you the cons and the reasons why this might not be the best keyboard for you. So number one, this is being offered only in single lighting. In this case, only in blue. Number two, the switches are baked, so it's non-hot swap. Number three, there is still no software for their lineups. So macros is not something you can do with this keyboard. You might be able to do that, but you're gonna have to use a generic, universal keyboard software. Not all the time do we get big companies to listen to small citizens like us. This is one of the main reasons why I chose to support MageGee. So, there you have it. What do you think? By the way, a like and a sub helps me a lot, so I appreciate that so much. I'll see you guys again next time. This is Biboyharanero. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That should be like an animation of taking the hat off, so it shouldn't be like this.